Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. If you clicked on this video, why not subscribe? I promise you it's the vibe. If you rock with me, I rock with you, which means we locked in for life, and that's on period. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me / pamper routine for Mother's Day. Mother's Day is slowly approaching, guys. So I figured this would be a great video to incorporate to all the mothers out there because we do the damn thing, okay? We are so strong. We endure so much down to labor. I feel like we don't get enough recognition. To me, Mother's Day is every day, and I do that shit effortlessly. I love being a mother, and I'm so grateful that God has blessed me with 3 children. As mothers, sometimes we forget to love on ourselves. We forget how much we sacrifice. We forget all the things that we actually put into our children. As a mother, you become selfless, and that comes with a lot, down to working a 9 to 5, just trying to balance everything. We do a lot. We sacrifice a lot to make sure they have food on the table, clothes on their back, whether it's college, whatever activities they want to participate in. It's just an ongoing thing, and it's not going to stop. Because even me as an adult, I still call my mom for certain things, and it's a job that is very stressful at times, but yet so rewarding. So in this video, I want to take the time out to cater to myself and just thank God. Just remember how important the role of a mother is. And this is not to discredit the fathers, because fathers are amazing as well. But Child Month is next month. I'm so grateful and I'm so proud of myself because being a mother has no manual. Everybody parents different. Everybody sees things fit for how they raise their children. But I'm just proud of the way my children are growing and blossoming. Say it takes a village to raise a child, but I feel like the most important thing is time and effort that you put in with your child as a mother, nourishing them, talking to them. It's just a lot that comes with it. I forget that a lot of times because, like I said, most times I'm on autopilot and I just do everything because it comes naturally to me as a mother, and I don't realize all that I actually do until I'm tired as hell, and then I got bags underneath my eyes and I'm half past dead, then I'm just like, damn, I'm doing a lot. But I don't regret any of this because I know my kids love me. Today I want to do like a little vajacial. I don't know if you guys know about that, but I'm about to put y'all on. Vajacial is just like getting a facial, but it's for your cootie cat down there. So we're gonna love on her, sure she's good. Probably do a little skincare, body care, treat myself, cook something, maybe go get something to eat. And I do want to go and buy myself a dress. Most Mother's Day, I'm just in the house and I don't really do too much. I don't worry about like my appearance. But this year, I feel different mentally, and I'm more appreciative for the things that I do have. As I'm growing, I'm learning so much, and I'm realizing to be grateful for everything that I do have. It took me a long time to get here because I was always comparing myself to other people, to other people's lifestyle, to other people's lives. This year, I want to pamper myself in every way possible, take a little extra time out to love on me, doll myself up, and remember that I am a great mother. Even if nobody tells me that I'm a great mother, I know that I'm a great mother because my efforts show every single day. I want to just give you a reminder. Don't let anybody make you feel like you're not doing a good enough job. You're doing the best that you can do for your children, and that's all that matters. So right now, it is about, I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 11 o'clock. I've been up since 7, but I just was lounging in my bed. And that's okay. And I broke my nail yesterday, so I'm definitely going to head to the nail salon. Yesterday, I ended up going to the mall and I stopped into Bath & Body Works. This new candle called Mahogany Coconut. Oh my God, y'all, it smells so freaking good. I also stopped into Five Below and got me another journal. Y'all already know this is clutch. We must journal. We must manifest. Apologize for not showing you guys the plant I ended up going with in my last vlog. But this is Mrs. Begonia, y'all. Isn't she so pretty? I actually talked to these 2 elderly ladies and they told me that a begonia was really easy to care for. They survive in sunlight or shade. So I decided to put her in my room. I just felt like she would be perfect right here on my table. I have a lot of brightness coming from my window right here. And I actually took my blinds down because Justice broke them. So it's giving a lot of sunlight. It's giving what it's supposed to give. I have a new baby added and I'm so proud and I'm so excited to grow her because I know as she grows, I will be growing as well. I wanna ride working in the sun. I wanna working in the sun. This is the outfit of the day, my little two-piece workout set. It's definitely giving Mamiana vibes. So I'm dressed, did my facial, body care, the vajacial. Cootie Cat is feeling amazing. Highly recommend you trying a vajacial. If you don't want to do it yourself, then do some research and go to like a professional, but I just feel super clean and super fresh down there. I think I started maybe 3.5 hours. I didn't realize that I didn't even eat anything, so I'm like, damn, my stomach started to gurgle, and I'm like, oh, it's time to eat something. I have a taste for some Chinese food, so I'm thinking I'm gonna order some ribs or some rice. Chinese broccoli always hits every single time. Let me know what you always order from the Chinese restaurant. This giving me baddie vibes all day. Y'all let me know if y'all agree. Is blue is definitely my color for the summer, y'all. So yeah, so after I eat, oh, let me show you guys really quickly too. When I went to Bath and Body Works, looking at like the candles and stuff like that, like browsing through everything, and I happened to look at this called Magnolia Charm. And I don't really buy fragrances and mists from Bath and Body Works. I'm just kind of bougie when it comes to my sprays. Y'all, I sprayed this, and when I tell you that this is bomb right now, the guy told me that is new. I'm telling you right now, if y'all don't believe me, go there and try the tester. This is going to be one of my new favorites. I'm going back to get another one. Hey guys, welcome back. It's the next day. I don't know what I did yesterday, but I got sidetracked and I did not end up going to get my nail fixed. I didn't get my outfit. I just got caught up. So today we are going to go to the store and see if I can find me a dress. Then I want to get something for my mom for Mother's Day. I'm like, damn, I'm worrying about me. Got to get something for my mom and my grandma. And then... Alright guys, so I decided to come into Kohl's and see if I can find a dress or something. I don't know. If not, we'll probably go to the mall or Marshall's. But I really just want like a simple black dress. Simple black dress, nothing too crazy. So let's see what they got. This is not dresses. Where are the dresses at? Somebody guide me. See, because I get sidetracked. I get sidetracked. I come in here for a dress and I'm going to wind up getting summer clothes. This is gorgeous. Look at the sides are out. I love it. Of course, they're not going to have my size. 3X? No. Ooh, I would kill this. It's a no for me. Come on. This is giving church vibes. Like something like this. Like, where's the extra smalls at? No, I don't like it. Oh, wait, here we go. Hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold on. Wait a minute. This is so cute. This is so freaking cute. Look at the back. Look at the detail in the back. It's crisscross and it shows a little skin. This is so cute. Not for $40 though. Wait, it's on sale. Oh, okay. So it's on sale for $27. I think I'm going to have to try it on. It looks a little wide. I think I like this dress. Not really into pink like that. I mean, I like pink, but I wanted to go for black. I'm going to try to take pictures with the kids tomorrow. And I just feel like black goes with everything. It's simple for all of us to find something. If nothing else, I might go with this. I don't know. They have my size too. It's like a little mini dress. Comes off the shoulder. And then it's a little bit of boom, bam, boom. It shows a little bit right there. So, I don't know. I don't know, guys. What do you think? They don't let you try stuff on anymore because of COVID. So, this is the best I can give y'all. I don't know. I was starving, so I went and got me a whole pie. I got the crew with me. I don't know how this is going to work. They're messy as hell. Y'all better not make no mess in my car. Deal?
I'm clean. Yeah.
So I got a plain pie. We got chicken wings. Pizza, pizza, pizza. So basically, today was a good vlog. It was very much needed. So that's pretty much it. Enjoy your Mother's Day. Don't forget how important you are. We are strong human beings. We hold it down every single day for our children. After I finish eating, I'm going to go shop for my mom and my grandma. I actually have to go stop to the nail salon and get my nail fixed. And tell me how when I just went to go get the pizza, another nail just broke. I'm just done with these nails at this point. I'm like, you know what? I don't even want to get them done, but It's a fresh set, so I'm just gonna do it. I wasn't able to find a cute dress at all, so I'm probably gonna head to the mall or go somewhere else and try to get something, because I want to take family photos with the kids. We do it every single year and it's a must for me. We're gonna shop around and see if we can find like the same color shirts or something like that. I'm gonna close the vlog out here right now because, you know, I want to spend time with the kids. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, follow me on all my social medias. One more time for the one time. Happy Mother's Day to all of you guys out there. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.